Most of us record our tutorial video, gaming video and more using OBS. However, due to some settings, our recording may end up look like low quality and sound poor. In this video, I will show you how to enhance your video quality by adjusting few settings. Doing this, you can improve your video quality even if you have low or medium specs PC or laptop. For your better understanding, I made this video in 4 parts. Each and every part is important, so watch the video till end. Hey guys, I am your tech buddy Adnan Hussain. Without further delay, let's roll the video. Here you can see I am using OBS to record this video. First off, go to your OBS settings, click on output mode and set out mode to advanced. By default it's in simple mode. Change to advanced. This gives you more control over recording quality. Part 1. Recording settings. Go to the recording tab. This tab is the most important part in this process because whatever you change here will directly affect your recording quality. Here you can see the recording path. Using this, you can save your recording files anywhere specific, any drive, any file that you want. For recording format, you can see I'm using MP4, but I suggest setting it to MKV. It's because MKV is more reliable than MP4. You won't lose entire recording if something goes wrong, like power of your PC, etc. etc. For video encoder, if you have dedicated GPU like NVIDIA, AMD or anything, then use NVENC for hardware encoding. If you like me with medium specs, then use your laptop or PC iGPU. In my case, I'm using is QuickSync H264. In your settings, there will be Radeon or Iris X264 or something like that. If you're recording in lower specs laptop or PC, then choose X264. It works fine, but may put a little bit load on your CPU. For audio encoder, I'm using FFmpeg AAC. Part 2. Encoder settings. Set your rate control to CBR. Why? Because it keeps your recording quality steady and avoids surprises. After setting this, increasing bitrate for 1080p, aim for 10,000 to 16,000 kbps. If you want 4K, then push it to 20,000 plus kbps. Remember, higher bitrates mean better quality. In target users, if you're recording a game, set it to TU6 or TU7. This will increase your FPS rather than your video quality, because when you record game, FPS is more important than quality. Or if you recording slow paced video like tutorial or something like that, then select it to TU2 or TU1. It will increase your quality rather than FPS, because in tutorial details matter, and for better details you need better video quality. If you're recording setting to X264, then set the CPU usage preset to slow or very slow. It will use more of your CPU power to enhance your video quality. Set bitrate to 2 seconds for smoother recording. Your video will feel snappier and way more professional. If you have preset option on your OBS setting, choose quality or max quality if you want best video. But if your PC is struggling, drop down to performance. Part 3. Video settings. I'm recording in 1080p. For good balance between quality and file size, if your PC can handle, go for 4K. In FPS section, use the highest FPS for gaming or fast-paced videos. For slower, more relaxed videos like tutorial, 30 FPS is more than enough. Part 4. Audio settings. For crisp sound, set to sample rate to 48 kHz and channel to stereo. You can add external mic with using mic auxiliary audio option. After this, go to the output option and click on audio. Set your audio bitrate to 320 kbps. Don't compress the audio, the viewer will notice. For all those viewers who has stayed this far, here are some bonus tips. You can change your OBS style from appearance section. There are several options, but I personally love archery theme, and you can choose any of them. And second, if you have custom key on your keyboard, then you can use the hotkey option and assign any key to any task you want. I hope you enjoyed the video. please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It would be awesome.